What's the meaning of abundantly? Abundantly. 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 Abundantly means in large quantities or amounts. It can also mean more than enough. For example, you might say that there is an abundant supply of water in a particular region. This means that there is more than enough water to meet the needs of the people who live there. Abundantly can also be used to describe something that is rich in a particular quality or characteristic. For example, you might say that a particular region is abundantly fertile. This means that the soil in that region is very rich and can produce a lot of crops. Here are some examples of how to use the word abundantly in a sentence. The farmer was abundantly blessed with a bountiful harvest. The rainforest is abundantly rich in plant and animal life. The city has an abundantly diverse population. The artist is abundantly talented. The writer is abundantly creative.